खूप उमेद आसा. आय एम व्हेरी हॅपी, व्हेरी सरप्राइज्ड ऑल्सो. द results were beyond my expectations and were very I was very happy to hear of the results. My family was also very happy. It has 2 years have ended well. My family was a huge inspiration. They were highly supportive. By God's grace, everybody was there. So I joined Dempo Pace in Miramar for my higher secondary. There all the teachers were amazing. The faculty, it has then the principal, Ma'am Rupa Khope, she was very motivating and she was very inspiring, and she truly helped me step by step to achieve my goals, and she inspired me throughout the journey.
He has always been, from the time he was in school, from the time he did his schooling also, he has been a very relaxed, calm kid, clear about what he wants to do. Dhavin Sudha, he had come first in go for ICSE. So he used to always go to sleep at 9:30, get up at 6 in the morning. That was his study hours. Means he never sat late at night, he never got up too early. His schedules he used to plan. We never actually sat with him with his studies, nothing. He just used to follow. We used to ask him, "Kire problem asla amka sang." So it was quite relaxed that way, a good journey for us also. He has taken a decision purely on his own that he wants to join medicine, which we are very happy about.
When his results came, I was very proud of him आणि म्हाका खूब खुशी जाली ताजे results पळोवन. He has also inspired me, and now I think that hard work is, because I see him, so I think that hard work is important, and then results.
पयलींपासून रिषभ ल्हानपणा वॉज व्हेरी फोकस्ड चायल्ड. म्हणजे ताका कितेंय सांगलें कितें तो लक्ष लावन फूल आयकतालो आनी मागीर तें उलयतालो जावं तें परत सांगतालो. मदीं कोवीड आयलो, सडनली ह्या भुरग्यांचें सारकें स्कूल लायफ बंद जालें. 8th 9th वॉज टोटली एट होम. मागीर तें 10th जेन्ना जॉयन जालो, ही वॉज फूल बॅक इन फोकस, बॅक टू हीज स्टडीज, आनी डे टू डे अपडेटेड आसतालो तो. म्हणजे कांयच तो पेंडींग अशें दवरनाशिल्लो. दॅट वॉज इज वन थिंग आय थिंक वीच हॅज गिवन हीम सक्सेस, इज तो चड पेंडींग कांयच दवरिना. तो शिकयलें की समजून घेता, किंवा कितेंय आसलें की रोखडें सॉल्व करता, कितें होमवर्क्स आसले डे टू डे करता. जागरणां इज बेजिकली आमच्या घरान जागरणां आमकां जमना. जागरणूय ना आनी सक्का फुडें उठून बेगीन बसप हें तसलेंय ना. पण डे टू डे भितर कितले जे अवर्स ऑनेस्टली फोकसली, म्हणजे कितें 15 वरां बसलें आनी तकलेनूच कांय वचना, त्या पेक्षा 2 वरां बसून फूल तकलेन गेल्लें, दीस इज ऑलवेज गूड.
I would just like to tell all the other kids who are starting this journey that just enjoy it. It's a beautiful journey. The 11th-12th science syllabus is phenomenal. It's amazing. And just enjoy the ride and don't worry about the end. The paper as we got might be completely unexpected. But don't worry, as long as you just keep your cool, you do your day-to-day work, it's all going to go well.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.